Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with another video with live trading with Guillermo. So it is about, I don't know, 2 minutes or so before market open. Today is Tuesday. So I'm going to see how we do this morning. Oh, so just want to let you know that I am in simulation this week. So the previous weeks you see me trade, those have been using my performance evaluations. I have 3 funded and 2 more are on the way. So I'm just doing small trades on those. So I'm not going to record those, but when I'm not trading live, I do trade in simulation because you always got to practice. You always got to get familiar with the software. So that's what I'm going to do this week. This week is going to be strictly simulation, but I'm going to trade just like I would if I was in my evaluation account. So, and you should do as well. If you're in simulation, always trade like you're trading your normal strategy, your normal trading style. So I'm waiting for the market to open, and once I see a move, I'll turn on the bot. That's usually my trick here. Not really a trick, but that's just what I do. It's the AutoRipper Pro is works wonderfully when we have some strong momentum, and that's when I turn it on. So that's what I'll do. I have the default settings, so I am testing out some other features like the stop and reverse and auto scaling. So if you lose a trade, it will add contracts and to make up for the loss in position and account size. So anyway, that's where I'm at this morning. So I am gonna turn on my automation now because, as you can see, it's making it was making a push to the bottom for a second, but now it's going up. So there should be a trade here as soon as it changes direction. And there we go. And it's reversing, so we stopped and reversed, and it's gonna go back up. Okay, so right off the bat we're at negative 645. Unfortunately we missed it. Nothing that the software did wrong, but the automation thought the trade was going up, so it went in an upward direction, but it went down slightly, as you saw, for like 2 candles, and then when it went right back up. So we just missed it slightly. Had it gone straight up, we would have been done in 1 trade. So we're actually negative 760. So if this was within your loss limit, you know, your tolerance, you probably would have just stopped here, or you would have taken, you know, fewer contracts and stop. But we're in another trade here, so we should be able to regain this back. But you just never know what the market does, you know. The bot is great about recovering from, you know, a stop and reverse, but you never know. We got stopped out early, and we ended up with a negative 670. If we hadn't not gotten stopped out, we would have made a nice profit on this. So so it may reverse again, but we'll see. There we go. But as you noticed, it's starting to scale up the contracts. So as it enters the trades, you'll see it. Hopefully, if we get a couple more trades here. When I'm in full auto, I do not engage the bot till I'm ready, and I don't turn it off until I'm ready to turn it off. So anything in between, I don't touch. So see, there's strong momentum going up. So we should make our money just going straight up on this. So now it looks like it's doing. I had initially set up 3 contracts, and that scaled up to 4, I believe. And then we always have a runner. And we're our runner right now. So we're positive now. 300. Let's see where we go from here. Okay, we got stopped out, so we're back in positive territory. So like I said earlier, we just missed that first trade. Had it gone our direction right off the bat, we would have been done so early. It would have been like a quick trade. But you just never know what the market's going to give you. Sometimes people like to wait a little bit, wait for things to settle, and then they jump in. I probably could have done that. I probably could have waited about a minute and just to see where it was going. And we probably would have picked up those 2 trades at the top there. But, that's all hindsight 2020. You just never know where you're going to be. Again, I'm excited for my... oh, look, we're in another trade. And we should get that. Perfect. So, yeah, now we're within goal now. Yeah, so I'm excited because I have the 3 funded accounts and 2 more are on the way. So I'll have 5 of them. So 250,000 in trading capital, all done with the AutoRipper Pro. So this week is simulation week for me, and then next week will be live. So I got a trade copier that I'm gonna use, and then I'll take a trade on one account that will copy it to all my other accounts. My goal will be to do about 500 a day. Times 5 is 2,500. So I'm gonna record those for you live. Oh wow, look, it took a trade in the opposite direction here. So let's see how it did, but man, that's pretty cool. Let's see if it doesn't reverse. I think the momentum's strong enough that it should push it down, and then we'll be done. But anyway, I will be posting those videos as I go live. I think it's next week, or the 4th. I think it's the last day of my other accounts. So we're about done here. I'm gonna shut this off and share this with you. So with that, be on the lookout for the videos. Again, this is simulation for the week, but always practice. Like if it's live money, always practice like this is the way you would normally trade. Do not do anything different. Just because it's simulation doesn't mean you can just do whatever you want. Okay? So with that, have a great day, happy trading, and see you on the next video. Take care now.